Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to bring you a wee Myprotein haul. What I've thought is, if you came from Instagram, you obviously know that I've been working with Myprotein for almost a year now, and each month we kind of get a voucher to get products off the website depending on how much sales you get. So I thought, instead of just doing it on my stories, which disappears after 24 hours, I'd upload a wee video to YouTube, and I'm going to try and do that every month with what I get, so I can kind of give you an idea of what you can get yourself. So this wee box, it's actually very well packed this month, so that's good. So I'm just going to start with, I think I got mostly clothing because I've got enough like snacks and stuff like that. So I think it's mostly clothing, and I'll do like a wee try on, like first impressions, and I'll basically unboxing it with these. This top's also Myprotein. Got this a few months ago, but it's like really comfy and really nice. I like it. Also, I do have a discount code for Myprotein, which is Morgan C, and it gets you 37% off. So yeah, and if you use it, please let me know. Let's start with these. So yeah, I went for the women's shape seamless ultra leggings in the grey colour, because you can't have too many grey leggings, can you? So that's these ones, that's the front of them. So look, got the wee Myprotein detail embossed there, and they've got kind of seamless contouring on the back. I think I've only had the contrast seamless. I've not actually got the seamless leggings, and they're a size small, which is the size I always buy with Myprotein. I've had a few mediums, but they were just a bit big. And then this is the matching seamless bra, which again is small. So obviously I don't know the split size and things like this stuff right now, so I'll go over that, but that's the bra. And then that's the back of it, which is a really nice back. That's quite different to what any of the bras I've bought from there or got from there before. That's the ultra seamless bra, and again, nice grey colour. It's kind of like a purpley grey, let's say, cool grey maybe. This is grey. But yeah, and it's got the wee Myprotein on the back as well, if it focuses. Yeah, so I'll give that a wee try, and I'll pop in a wee video now. Yeah, that's the grey seamless set, but again, this material is just so much more compressed than any other sets I've tried for Myprotein. And I don't know if I'm feeling dozy today, but wow, it's tight. So I definitely feel sizing up in that set in that kind of range, because it's not kind of like this. It's just, I love the colour, but it's just very difficult to get on. But yeah, let me size up. So next up we've got the shape seamless cycling shorts in Crush Berry, which is these. So it's a really nice colour. I've got the, and if you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen last month I got the Crush Berry like oversized sweater. So these look tiny, but, and I think I've seen a few girls say they went up a size in these, but that was after I'd already ordered them. So yeah, you see the wee Myprotein detail, and they've got the same kind of contouring on the back, like leggings there, but hopefully they're pretty stretchy. So fingers crossed. So I'll insert a wee video now. So yeah, I've just tried these on and 100% would recommend sizing up if you're in between sizes, because these are like so tight compared to the power stuff and anything like that. So like, I mean the compression is there, but it's just very tight. Considering they're still really tight, they're actually still squat proof surprisingly, but yeah, definitely size up because these are tight. So next up I've got a wee men's t-shirt, just because I like the kind of oversized t-shirts for like the cycling shorts, and then even just sometimes over leggings, like go to the shops and that kind of thing. So went for the white. And I got that in a size small, which the medium, because I got a medium in a blue t-shirt a few months ago and it was like a 10. It was not a bit too big, but still want it. But I'm just gonna wear it to bed now. It's got the wee embroidered detail. And it's quite, I think it should be a thing, like a good size. But I'll try it on and we'll see. That's just the wee men's top I was saying, and a size small. It's not really as oversized as what I thought, but it's quite nice just to have like a kind of baggier t-shirt than the kind of women's ones, because they can be quite, like a lot of tops are cropped for women, so I quite like it. It's quite a good wee length. So I was going about the men's hoodies, so I thought I'd give it a wee try. So which is the rest day hoodie in white, and it's in a size small. Yeah, small. So it's pretty oversized, but I think it'd be really comfy. And it's got this, the writing here, you can see. That just gives it a wee bit more detail. And it's just, oh, I've got a wee MP on the hood. And just plain at the back. So yeah, I'll give that wee try one, just so you can see what that size is like on myself. But I love this wee jumper, it's so nice. Yeah, it's like a nice oversized one. It's not massive, but it's quite a nice wee. Yeah, I'll show you this wee mirror. Yeah, the wee detail. But yeah, I like the fit of this, it's really nice. I got 2 wee samples of the Clearway, the lemon and the strawberry, which I've not tried either of them yet, but a lot of people have said they're just as good as the normal, the original Clearway. I think what kind of put me off is that there's only 10 grams of protein compared to the normal one, which is 20 grams. But I'll give it a wee try, because I really should take this because I shouldn't eat dairy. So maybe sway to change to that. Some flavour drops. That's I think that's butter biscuit, which I've had that before and it is amazing. It's just like having wee Biscoff biscuits crushed into your coffee. So that's really good. And then I got marzipan, which I've not tried. It was something, I think something worked for it, and I was inspired, so I decided to try that. But I find it really to last. They're only, I'd say like, I think it ends up being like £3 with my discount code, and I've never finished one really, except I'll just get another one of these because I lost it. I think I left it at work somewhere, and I've not tried this one. But yeah, got the coconut and the vanilla ones months ago, and they're only like, I don't know, 3/4 of the way, and I use them like most days. So, but it does say like 70-10 drops, but I only use like 2 or 3, no, 1 or 2, because I feel like that's enough for me anyway. But each to their own. Then they've been sending everyone the wee free hand gel, so I've got another one of them which obviously can't go wrong. I've got protein pancake mix and cinnamon sugar. I've not tried this, so I haven't got an opinion on it yet. But 32 grams of protein for a serving, which is 183 calories, which is pretty good to be honest. And a few of the girls have said, and a few of the boys have said it's really good. So let's say to go try this one because I just love some flavoured anything. And last but not least, I've got the chocolate, orange and cacao. Is that how you say that? I don't know. A vegan protein blend. It's good. Very full for a 500ml. Scooped at the top. Love it. Yeah, again, I've heard a few people talking about this, and I love chocolate orange, like the normal chocolate orange way. So again, just try to be nice for my stomach and got the vegan one because I'm dairy intolerant. So yeah, I will obviously pop on an opinion when I've gave that a wee try. I was probably going to put in like oats and stuff, but yeah. So guys, that's everything from this month's Myprotein haul. Anything else Myprotein, just give us a wee comment or message me on Instagram, like any flavours, sizing, anything like that, because obviously this doesn't cover everything. And I'll leave my wee link below for the website, and my discount code is Morgancy, and thanks very much if you use it because it lets me keep working with companies like Myprotein. But yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.